Grade 10, Physics Chapter 1.
Mingla Bagalero, Yetan Yup Beta Tinkanza Listin Jajameno. Pace Sura Bale, Yup Beta Sura Bale, Pace Bada Piene Nero Yup, Beta Tinjajim Ampizon Naimbu, Yup Suragio Beta Suraglela Jimbadaya. Yoje Watu Gulela Jimpinyapo, Ubma Atangulela Mesobaro. Yo Watu Duyaka Chinche, Atanswan Inchipo me. Dajang Yup Beta Sura Jawatumata Swan Inajine, Bawapchie, Netie Pinuminari Lila Jinlo Piolo Yame.
Physics is the study of matter, energy, and the natural phenomena.
Atangulela yin Atansura Jakane Shimapchelo Yare Surezinian Piensberry. Atanzwan Ingene Opuzwan in Bionine, Swan Indimie Muniamadre Lilaye. Bawapchise Luan Momu Ajang Lilane Jimbe Chite.
It is also a collection of laws and principles which govern the behavior of nature.
Dajang Yupa Be Dasura Daindamu Mashamandwine, Susan Shapwimu O Sabe Shindogo. Bistun Achigane Badaye Bechite.
Physics is a subject based on observations and measurements.
The Chati Bambadaye Query Lubabe. Yupa Ved Sura Snechare, Susan Lilamu, Systemate O Sabe Shindri, Dijare Daindamu, Risai Mashamandribo Mabe Achigambare.
Physics, like any other branch of science, is based on systematic observation and precise measurements.
Agaro, pieces sura bale, Satope Lepi, Ditapona Dijimbi, Soguge Yuju Chejipi Dido Ma Wood is pace su Yaisha Ji Pero.
Measurements. Experiments are an essential feature of science.
Letri Santa Mulo Song Jindile, Dibambadaye Toye Mashimche, Lo Eche Lakna de Kubabe, Yupa Veda Badaye, Letri Santa Chemiazorugo. Lela Sensimu Pulo Yama, Ye Tuepo Piacheco, Tombu Jinteti Jetting Ye Treco, a Tombu Yambulo Epare.
Most experiments in physics require the observations made to be quantitative rather than qualitative.
Veda Badaye, Letri Santa Chemiazorugo. Lela Sensimu Pulo Yama, Ye Tuepo Piacheco, Tombu Jinteti Jetting Ye Treco, a Tombu Yambulo Epare, Yowaturo Lela Jindret, Diga. Dainda Jin Mashaman Bulo Pea Ime, Mashaman Dainda Jindra Mashim Chilo Echema. Nine Shinjin Longenzin Chite Dainda Jindre. Dainta da kuyashi yin jongo ga santa mapmana da kune. Asmi myashi digu naishin po pya jimbabe.
Measurement essentially is a comparison process. In measuring, a quantity may be compared with a reference standard.
Upuma kongdenshid kugu dainda jamesu, lia dainda jin santa mecha. Tipe sure echigan yespian standeye, benis shide suragu.
It is expressed in numerical comparison to certain agreed-upon set of standards.